When the clutter of the city life makes way for a quest to escape the humdrum of daily life and breaks free from the clutches of the restive routine, you need to breathe in a different air and spend some memorable moments in the midst of nature. Far away from the maddening crowd lies such a place. A place where desire meets bliss, dreams meet reality, happiness meets ecstasy, adulthood meets childhood, stress meets tranquility, luxury meets elegance. A place where indulgence and divinity dwell together. Nestled in the backdrop of nature's bounty, we present to you a panoramic view of a green canvas where you could paint your dreams with colors of life. A place called Bel Air Garden. Unique, luxurious homes and an exclusive gated community just half an hour drive from the blaring city life. Situated 15 kilometers away from SG Highway, Ahmedabad, it is easily accessible and well connected. Bel Air Garden is dotted with 113 plots over a staggering expanse of more than 70,000 square yards. Each plot offers a plot area of 400 square yards to 600 square yards and comes with a residential unit of 120 to 310 square yards, offering you the luxury of an independent villa. Enter the pristine world of a green opportunity, so precious, so rare. Welcome to Bel Air Garden, a perfect place to give shape to your imagination. Get ready for an invigorating experience that is complete and fulfilling. Marvel in admiration at the splendid and breathtakingly beautiful fountains where the streaks of water would dance and create its own show for you. With the perpetual sound of water flowing down these beautiful fountains, even the most stressed days will have a calm end. Wake up every morning to the mesmerizing fragrance of flowers in the lush green landscape garden that adds to the splendor and offers a majestic treat to your eyes. If an early morning jog is on your agenda, breathe the fresh air without the sounds of traffic while jogging at the well-paved jogging track. Let the children get naughty on the outdoor play area, swings and slides, or become a child again and join them in the extravaganza. Witness the architectural genius of Sri Devendra Shah with exceptionally well-designed circular form and fully equipped clubhouse for the first time in Gujarat with exhaustive amenities that leaves you free to unwind and leave the grind of daily life behind. Indulge in a host of activities and indoor games at the clubhouse, or simply laze around the poolside in the company of soul-stirring breeze. Relax and rejuvenate your senses with a swim in the stimulating swimming pool. Let the children take a plunge into the relaxing waters of the pool and feel on the seventh heaven. Have a great time playing billiards with your closest friends, or play that table tennis game you always wanted to play with your kids. Keep yourself in shape with the ultra-modern gymnasium with latest equipments. Treat yourself to gastronomic delight offered at the restaurants with delicious recipes. Imagine sun's first rays waking you up with cuckoo as your alarm clock. Imagine having a cup of coffee in the company of chirping birds. Imagine a cool breeze that rejuvenates you for your day to begin. The joy of living in your independent villa at Bel Air Garden is love at first sight for those who want to have luxury living with international standards and Indian touch. When it comes to choosing your dream home, you will be spoiled for choice with our 2-bedroom house with terrace garden and 3-bedroom house with exclusive lounge. Simply bask in the glory of the morning sun or spend quality time with your family and friends. The Bel Air Garden offers the promise of reconnecting with natural rhythms, with the 4 seasons and the cycles of life. Each residential unit offers truly luxurious and imperial living experience combined with elegant interiors and lovely furnishings. You will witness the harmony between vintage and contemporary design, aesthetically pairing a modern structure with a classic look. Bel Air Gardens symbolizes a safe retreat, a place to find solace, where days are bright, beautiful and sunny, and the nights are serene and tranquil. Come, experience the enchantment and embrace the exuberance of environment at Bel Air Garden. A project designed by renowned architect Shri Devendra Shah. Developed by Padmavati Infrastructure, a name to reckon with in the realty market of Ahmedabad.